Then there's the perpendicular lines.
Perpendicular.
These lines meet at one point. However, perpendicular lines are right angles, which means it's like an intersecting and right angle combined.
How about the acute angle? The one that you discussed.
It might be an intersecting or an obtuse. Oh, if it was an obtuse or acute, it would be an intersecting, since it isn't a right angle.
And what's that line again?
Which one? The third one or
What the meaning of point? Point. The one that you
It's
discussed a
something
while
that
ago.
you use to mark a location. Like for example, I'm going to use a line segment. So there and there. They mark locations.
Under what subject is that?
Math, geometry.
Geometry?
Yeah.
You have geometry now? Even if you're
Yes.
still in grade 4.
Yes, why do they make this so early now?
During our time, that is third year high school.
Okay, maybe I think it should have been 7th year.
You're very advanced.
I think it should have been 7th year. Daddy, I think that's supposed to be 7th year
Yeah,
instead, so that you can learn quicker.
But now you're still in grade
but still
4.
at the right time.
Yeah. But I like the yung topic about the creation.
Daddy, didn't the problem with homeworks back then?
Homework?
Back then, there was the Cold War.
Cold War?
Yeah. The United States, the Americans wanted to prove that they are better than the Soviets. So they, you know what they did? They pressured their children with lots of homework, more than ever they had before.
Oh.
Usually you might have 1 or 2 homeworks, but back then you might have somewhere way more than that, which is just way too much, and they saw its negative side, so they demanded a protest against the government to make sure that the homeworks were that the amount of homeworks were just the right amount, because they knew that pushing political agendas were not good for them.
Oh.
They should just get normal amounts of education.
I love to hear you discussing mathematics. I think that's your forte. Can you teach me more about geometry, because I already forgot that subject. It was a long time ago.
Unfortunately, I can't, because that's all I know.
You're so new to that.
Anyways, I believe algebra is harder than geometry. Because it's the next thing we're gonna learn after geometry.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing algebra is harder. What even is algebra? There's also patterns, which is like art stuff.
Oh. By the way, how about your quiz in math?
Math. I believe I got a 10 out of 10.
10
Wait, no, 20 out of 20.
Oh?
Each
20 out of 20?
Each correct answer is
You
worth
got a perfect.
Each correct answer is worth 2 points.
Oh, I see.
There was just one mistake I made, and somehow I got 20 points.
Oh.
It's that I forgot on how to divide
You
improper.
forgot?
I forgot how to divide improper fractions. The answer was 1, then 5 over 21, and that's how you do it.
But you know that.
Sure.
Only that you forget.
Yeah, however, I got a perfect score for some reason. I should have got like 18 or 19, 18, something like that.
But as usual, you're still the highest.
Sure.
You get the highest score. And even in Arling Panlipunan, you have a hard time speaking.
There was the AP quiz. I'm 100% sure it wasn't perfect because I did not get 100 words on the essay.
You didn't even know how to speak at Tagalog, but you still
I I struggle on how to make sentences.
Get the highest score? Even in AP?
Daddy, I did. I said I did not get it perfect.
Yeah, but you're still the highest.
Oh really? I do not know the results of my scores.
O, di ba yung last exam, third quarter? Is that the third quarter exam or?
No, second quarter. This is third quarter.
Yeah. You get the highest score.
In AP.
AP.
I
In
have a
math.
score of 79. I believe someone else got 75. I believe it was Andre. He was like second highest.
Second highest, Andre?
Yeah. I believe he was like 1 or 4 points away from me.
Only?
From being a highest.
Who's behind? Galing, galing.